Hello everyone, welcome to Employability Skills. In this session, we will see communication skills, verbal and non-verbal communication, do's and don'ts while communicating, and finally, 7 C's of communication. Communication is a process by which people exchange information and feelings through verbal and non-verbal messages. It means communication can be done verbally and communication can also be done non-verbally, right? In communication, we are actually sending a message from one individual to another individual. Let's see, this is a man and this is another man, and they want to talk with each other, means they want to communicate with each other. This man says, let's improve communication, and this man says how we can improve communication, right? So in communication, we involve three things. The first one is sender, and the second one is receiver, and in between we have channel. Sender sends a message to the receiver, and receiver receives the message through the channel. Okay, and after receiving the message, receiver sends a feedback to the sender that I have received the message, right? So the skill of communication ensures that the information is understood by the recipient, right? Now let's see methods of communication. There are two methods of communication. First one is verbal communication, and the next one is non-verbal communication. In verbal communication, we include spoken elements. Whatever you speak, that becomes verbal communication. And we even include written elements. Whatever you write, that becomes verbal communication. If you are sending an email to someone, or if you are writing a letter to someone, that becomes verbal communication. In non-verbal communication, we include body language, facial expression, eye contact, posture, and gesture. We will discuss the methods of communication in great detail in a later video session. Now look at the do's while communicating with the people. You need to smile while communicating with the people, and you need to be friendly in tone of your voice even while teasing your friends. You need to keep your arms open. It shows positive body language. It means you need to have positive body language while communicating with the people. And you need to speak slowly and clearly so that the receiver will be able to understand the message clearly. And finally, be respectful and genuine while communicating with the people. Now let's see the don'ts while communicating with the people. You need to avoid having an unkind expression. Do not keep hands on hip. It shows aggressive body language. Do not be nervous or speak fast. Do not use rude words. And finally, do not show lack of courtesy. Now we'll discuss 7 C's of a communication skill so that you can become effective communicator. The first one is clear. You need to be clear about what you want to say. You need to be concise. You need to use simple words and say only what is needed. And you need to concrete, use exact words and phrases, right? And you need to correct. You need to use correct spellings, language and grammar so that people can understand your message easily. You need to be coherent. Your words should make sense. Your message should be complete. Your message should have all the needed information so that people can understand your message easily. And the last one is courteous. You need to be respectful, friendly and honest. So these 7 C's are the key mantra to become effective communicator. Just keep in mind while communicating with the people, While communicating with the people, you need to be clear, you need to be concise, you need to be concrete, you need to be correct, and you need to be coherent, and you need to be complete, and finally you need to be courteous even. Right? That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.